This is video introduce highlight features or overview summary of Westinghouse WSnow22 48V Cordless Snow Blower, 22-inch kit, steel auger, LED lights, 1600 watt brushless motor. 25 feet throwing distance, plows 840 pound per minute, compatible with Snow Joe batteries, that's include. The Westinghouse WSnow22 48V cordless electric snow blower is designed to have the power of gas-powered machines, with the ease and freedom of cordless electric power. Our largest and most powerful cordless blower has a durable rubber-tipped steel auger that safely clears an impressive path 22 inches wide and 13 inches deep in every pass, moving a mind-blowing. Snow blowing 840 pounds per minute, throwing snow up to 25 feet away out of a 180-degree adjustable chute. With a strong, low-maintenance, push-button start 1600 watt brushless electric motor. You can easily remove snow anytime without worrying about refueling with gas or dealing with a long electric cord. Comes with two 8-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries and a dual-port 4A fast charger that fully charges in 2 hours for a working time of 15 minutes for 7 inches of snow. And it's lighter, quieter, easier, and more maneuverable than heavier gas-powered walk-behind snow throwers, making the WSnow22 48V battery-powered snow blower a perfect choice for snow removal for longer driveways, walkways, sidewalks, porches, and decks. Equipped with dual LED lights for winter nights. Now you can move snow easily anytime with the Westinghouse WSnow22 48V snow blower. Just clear your path and enjoy the snow. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.